Hello everybody, so today we are going to be taking a look at another pair of SunGod McLaren sunglasses. These today are the SunGod Sierra's Monaco edition. These are the brand new ones that have just come out for Monaco, and it's the Monaco Grand Prix this weekend, so I thought I would make a video. I have already opened this part of the box, but this is not the actual sunglasses part. If my camera wants to focus, there it is. So they come in this cardboard box to protect them. Again, please recycle. See better, SunGod. In there, and then the actual case that these are in are beautiful. Look at that. So, just saying please recycle on there. So here are the actual sunglasses. MP4/5, 1989, SunGod, and same on here. So the old school McLaren logo on there, like old school. SunGod logo here. And then on the back we have all of the details: frosted cream frames, smoke lenses with McLaren engraving, heritage McLaren plate. So yeah, I haven't brought any scissors in to open this, so give me 1 second. And I'm back with my cutter. So we will cut along here and along here, and then let me get around this side. We will open them up. Are you ready? Okay. Ooh, that's a really nice idea. Is this like all the times that McLaren won in Monaco? That's a nice little touch. I like that a lot. Then we have the future in focus thing. If you remember on the last pair that I opened, they had like, this was all neon orange. So, a little bit different. And then there's a thing to activate your sunglasses, like on the other pair. Okay, so these are the sunglasses themselves. They come in this like old school cleaning cloth / case. It says SunGod on here. And so it's like this creamy, I don't know, taupe kind of colour, and then the white. And then again, as always, it says that it's made of microfiber, made of recycled bottles. Leave no traces, like the kind of SunGod ethos, I guess. And then you should only clean your glasses with this microfiber pouch. Okay. So in here, this tells you some stuff about SunGod. You can pause it if you want to read. But let's have a look at what we're all here to see. The sunglasses themselves. Oh my god, I can see them now. Okay. Wow. So here they are. They are super reflective, but you can also see through them completely, which is unlike any other ones of these that I have opened up before. So these look on camera a lot more yellow than they are in person. They look quite yellow, but in person they are like clear. They don't look that colour at all in person. Like, they look really clear and just a little bit cream. So you've got the McLaren logo on there, which is nice. McLaren logo in here as well. And on this side. And in here as well, it says SunGod. And then you can see the kind of polarised kind of look on there. But then looking that way, they are just like a matte kind of, not matte black, but you know, just the black, whereas in here you can see the kind of purpley tinge to them. So yeah, they have the McLaren logo down here. I thought they might have like something like Monaco related here, but they don't. So they just have the McLaren logo kind of there as well. But yeah, these are really, really nice. Really nice. So I suppose there's nothing else left for me to do than to try them on, right? So here they are, looking beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna try them on now and show you what they look like on. Okay, so this is what they look like on. They are really, really nice. I do like these. They're quite nice. They have that kind of retro vintage look. I think this colour doesn't go with my skin tone because I am deathly white constantly. I feel like if you do have a tan, these would look a lot nicer. There's the McLaren logo. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Really like the black lenses on these. They are very, very nice. There they are. I really like them. Thumbs up to McLaren / SunGod for making these. They are definitely a good pair of sunglasses. If you want to grab a bit of money off some SunGods, there will be a link in the description bar so you can get a little bit of money off. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you all again very soon. Adios.